These apps paid me real money. Yeah, I know that was loud, but it is definitely worth the script. Well, if you don't know yet, your mobile phone can definitely turn from a source of entertainment to a source of revenue. And this is only possible with the right apps. Hi there, I'm David Kelly from the M Tutorials team, and I warmly welcome you to this video. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you the best apps that you can use to make money on your mobile device. So without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. So the first app that we're going to be seeing is Mode N app. So Mode N app is just an app just like many others that lets you earn money by completing tasks and offers. Okay, and beside those tasks there are a couple of stuff that you can do to even earn more money while you're using the app. Okay, when I talk of a couple of things, I talk of something like, let's say, this charge mode. Okay, turning on this charge mode here, you see when you turn it on, anytime that you plug your device on charge, the app will display a charge screen, and from this charge screen you should be able to generate income from there as well. Isn't that crazy? That's definitely a good way to start earning money. And besides that mode, there are just other options here as well. You have the game mode that lets you earn money while playing games. You also have the music mode that lets you make money while even listening to music. Okay, and you have the news mode that lets you make money while listening or while watching news. And also you have this offers tab here that lets you complete tasks and earn money while you're using the app. Okay, you also have this videos tab here where you'll be watching videos and you'll be making a revenue, or you'll be making an income for watching any video that is being displayed to you. So after watching a video, this is how you get rewarded. As you can see, I've been rewarded 2 coins, and if I want to watch another video, I'll just have to go through all of that. Okay, and you also have this survey tab here that lets you make money while taking surveys. Okay, you can choose the survey based on your location and also based on the rewards that will be rewarded for completing the survey. Okay, I'll just let you discover all of those. And if you scroll again to the top, you will see that there are some options that offer instant payouts. Okay, as Yella said, this charge screen should let you earn payout. Okay, and the payouts from the charge screen are paid instantly. So anytime that you enable this, or that this is enabled, you will be getting 20 coins bonus every minute that your phone is plugged into your charge. And besides that, you also have this lock screen. Okay, enabling this should get you 10 coins as bonus, and this should let you get to the cash out threshold as soon as possible. Okay, so anytime that you lock your device screen, you should be getting a bonus. All of these together are just the passive ways of making an income with this Mode N app. Okay, and once you've made sustainable income, you can come to this redeem tab here to cash out your coins. Okay, you have several cash out options here, which PayPal is the most prevalent, and you also have gift cards that will also be sent through PayPal. Okay, so you definitely get paid through gift card. Okay, through PayPal gift cards, and also the payout options will depend on your location, and if you're fast enough, you should be able to unlock this threshold in no time. Again, this app is just a passive, it's just for passive income and should not be your main source of revenue. Okay, so the second app is this Pawns app. So Pawns app is just more like the previous app that we spoke about, in a way that they offer the same ways to make for you to make money, but one advantage with this Pawns app is that it has an incredibly impressive way to make passive income, which is by just sharing your internet connection. Okay, you can be able, or you should be able to make between $1 and $100 per month by just activating passive income. When you open the app, you should see this passive income show up here. Okay, when you enable the passive income, it's just going to enable internet sharing. Okay, and once this is connected, you should be able to start generating income from this passive way of making money with this Pawns app. So anytime that you're online, you are making an income. Each time you go to the internet, you are making an income. Isn't that great? That's definitely great and worth a try. As you can see, just this today I was able to generate 20 cents for just using the internet sharing feature without having to complete any task. I think that is definitely great, and it should be one of the top apps that you want to consider if you want to make money from your phone. Okay, you also have these other options here. You have offer walls like the playtime, the beat labs, and more others that should also let you generate income within the app. You also have options here such as the surveys that you once completed you should be able to get reward. I believe you understand or you know what actually surveys are, and you should be able to go through them to get your bonuses. And if you come to your profile tab, you should be able to see all your progress with the Bonds app. So the third app that we have right here is Freecash. I believe most of you already have heard of this app because it is actually on the trend for apps that let you make a passive income from your phone. So what Freecash is all about is just a platform, or let me say an app, that can be accessed from your mobile device, or if you don't want to access through your mobile device, you can access from your PC on the web browser. And this app just houses different many offers ranging from games to surveys. Yes, it has most similarities to the apps I've talked about in this video, but this one is even different and way more impressive when it comes to payout. Let's take an example here. You can see this game here, magnet miner. This magnet miner should let you score up to 546 US dollars for completing all the levels in the game. And if you take a look at the bottom right corner of the game, you see that it is available just for Android devices. Scrolling all the way, you should see the platforms that are available for most of these games, and these ones are what actually Freecash recommends for me. Yes, of course, you will not be able to get this money instantly from this game because you have to complete different levels, as you see here, because each level earns you a reward. For reaching 100 meters, you will get 0.05 US dollars, and for reaching 5,000 meters, you should be getting 362 US dollars. And adding it to the previous amount you've been getting from the previous levels, you would be getting an amount of 546 US dollars. Okay, and if in the event you don't want to play games, there are different offers here, just as these surveys here. Okay, you can participate in this Alibaba survey or finance research, even movie research, or even the biblical surveys. Okay, and you can also take other surveys that are available here that do not actually give the payout rate that you expect, but they should be worth your time, of course, because this Freecash has a very good reputation, especially by sites that have reviewed them, by reputable sites that have given a review on this. Okay, when you are sure that you've met the withdrawal threshold, you can see here the next payout or the minimum payout should be 2.5 US dollars, which is very easy to achieve. Okay, especially considering the payouts that are offered by the different offers in this app. So to withdraw your balance, you just have to come to this cash out tab to see the available methods that are available for you to withdraw. As of now, I can withdraw through stake, as well as I can withdraw through Sol. Okay, so if you want to, when you reach a withdrawal threshold, you just need to follow the prompts here or the steps here to get your funds withdrawn. I recommend that you score higher amounts or higher bonuses within these games, or higher rewards within these games, to even save more on fees. If you see here, withdrawing $5 to PayPal should cost you 50 cents, and this same 50 cents is charged for withdrawing 200 US dollars. So I would recommend that you invest more of your time in getting these higher rewards, so you will be saving on the cost and the fees. Okay, then the last and impressive app that we have here is Sweatcoin. So Sweatcoin is definitely not like the other apps I've talked about in this video. This app just simply pays you for doing exercises that will definitely boost your health. Okay, so besides working out, you will be earning money for even doing what you should definitely do for yourself, which is keeping yourself fit. The way the app works is very pretty and simple. So you just have to open the app whenever you want to go for a walk, or even if you don't open the app, just make sure that the app runs in background. You just go out and take a walk, take some steps, or even any amount of steps. Even if you want to walk to the nearest restaurant, or a fast food, anywhere you want to go to. Just make sure that this app is working in your background, and then when you reach your destination, open the app and see the magic that shows there. So it counts your steps daily. As you can see, the steps I've made today are 59 steps, and my daily goal that I've set is 3,300 steps daily. So reaching this your daily goal should get you a reward, and when you get your reward, you should see it up here at the top right corner displaying there. So for now, you can see the reward I have here is 0.04 US and 0.04 Sweatcoin, and you can definitely withdraw this money or this reward to your PayPal account or even your crypto wallet. Okay, Sweatcoin is actually a cryptocurrency, and you can also withdraw it to your crypto if you don't want to withdraw it to your PayPal account. You can track your full progress with the app by coming to your profile section and seeing exactly the steps that you've covered in the specific range of time. If you were to ask me, I would say this is definitely the best app because I am someone that loves sports. I love going for walk, I love playing football or soccer, I love doing anything that should keep me fit. So definitely this is the best app that I can recommend to you because it also keeps your health, it maintains your health in the best condition that you should expect. Having in mind that you'll be rewarded for doing sports should even encourage you more for doing the sport. Okay, so those are the best apps that you should expect to get paid to your PayPal account. Even if you don't want to get paid to PayPal, you can also get paid to crypto or even to your bank account directly. Again, I'll be sharing the link to all of these apps in the video description, so you want to check them out and download also, because you'll be getting a bonus from the links I'll be sharing. So you definitely want to download the apps through the links in the video description. Alright, so we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that notification bell down below to not miss our content. So I catch you in the next episode.